If you want to search out for things inside of Windows, then what you can do is you can use the search icon right here. Once you click on the search right here, you can see that type here to search is an option. So if I were to type in Windows, then it shows up all of the types of search results. Let's say, for example, it shows apps right here. It shows the best matches right here, as you can see, and it also helps you to search on the web. You can also go on the top right here, go to apps, and there's apps windows, as you can see right here. You can go to documents, and then it'll search for documents right here. You go for web, then what happens is that it shows up web results, as you can see right here, and you can go around, search for the same term in email, in folders, in videos, according to how you like it. So if you were to go to all, then it searches out everything. So what you can also do is you can go around, let's say, for example, you can type in documents : right here and search for something else. Let's say, for example, if I were to type in Camtasia right here, then it'll search for Camtasia document. Go to apps right here, then you get the Camtasia app, as you can see right here. And that is how you can utilize the search option inside of Microsoft Windows 11 to search out different contents inside of your Windows. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.